How to add friends on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can add friends easily on WhatsApp. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now you might have recently opened up a new WhatsApp account and you're not being able to chat with anybody. That is because in order to make friends on WhatsApp, you need their contact information, which is basically their phone number, and you need to add them to your own phone contact list in order to add them on WhatsApp as well. So first of all, if I go ahead and open up WhatsApp, you can see a bunch of people whom I've chatted with over the past. But if you want to add a new member relatively, what you have to do is from the bottom right corner, simply tap on this little chat icon or the DMs icon. Once you select the chat icon, at the very top you have this option which says new contact. So all you have to do is go ahead and select the button which says new contact. Once you select new contact, you'll see this kind of interface, and as you can see, this is our phone's menu pop-up. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and then enter the name and the number as well of the particular contact whom you want to add. If you do not have their number, you will not be able to add them on WhatsApp. That is simply how WhatsApp works. And the other thing you also want to keep in mind is that the other person should also have WhatsApp enabled or logged in too. Once you've done those, tap on the save button at the bottom right corner and we have added them to our contact list. Now we'll come back over here. If I want to chat with that contact now, I will simply tap on the search box and I will search for that particular profile. Once I select up the profile, as you can see right over here, now I could basically go ahead and then send them a message over here and they will receive it and they will also be able to reply to it. So this is it. This is simply how you can add friends or contacts on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.